Friends, in today's video, we're going to talk about some of the most mysterious and forbidden places in the world, including one right here in Pakistan, where no ordinary person is allowed to go. And what you're about to hear will give you chills. Let's begin with one of Pakistan's most secretive and eerie places, Astola Island, also known as Jazeera Haftalar. It lies deep in the sea off the coast of Balochistan. Even the local fishermen mention its name with caution. This island is off limits to the general public, and those few who have dared to visit never stayed for long. The reason? Not war, not weather, but something much more terrifying. Snakes. Yes, friends. Astola Island is said to be home to the world's most venomous snakes. Locals claim that in every square meter of this island, there are at least 5 snakes. Their venom is so deadly that a single bite can cause the flesh to rot within minutes. Because of this, the Pakistani government has completely banned entry to the island to protect people from this deadly threat. Only scientific researchers are allowed to visit, that too with special permission and full protective gear. Now let's move to Sindh, where there stands an ancient fort, sealed for centuries. According to local legends, deep beneath this fort lie a series of old underground chambers, locked long ago with heavy iron gates. Some say the structure inside is too weak to enter safely. But others whisper something else, that these chambers hold strange presences unseen by human eyes. Even the air around those doors feels different, they say. At night, locals claim to hear faint, eerie sounds rising from below the fort. Because of this, authorities have sealed the pathways. Large iron locks guard every entrance. No ordinary person has ever been allowed to open them. And the truth is, what lies behind those locked doors remains a mystery to this day. Friends, now let's travel beyond Pakistan to a remote, dangerous island that even modern explorers avoid. The North Sentinel Island, part of India's Andaman and Nicobar chain, is one of the most forbidden places on Earth. It's home to the Sentinelese tribe, one of the world's oldest and most isolated groups. For thousands of years, they have lived untouched by modern civilization, fiercely protecting their land from any outside interference. Their weapons are still made from bones and stones, and their way of life has never changed. The Sentinelese do not allow outsiders to step foot on their island. They attack anyone who comes close, with arrows and spears, defending their isolation at any cost. In 1981, a cargo ship named Primrose accidentally drifted too close to the island. Within minutes, the tribe appeared on the beach, armed with bows and spears, ready to defend their home. The ship barely escaped, but that incident revealed the fierce and untamed spirit of the Sentinelese. Viewers, these forbidden places hide secrets that remain locked away from the rest of the world, where time stands still and danger sleeps beneath the silence. It all began by accident. In 1940, a group of young boys were searching for their lost dog when they stumbled upon the entrance of a hidden cave. The moment they stepped inside, they found themselves surrounded by one of the most astonishing and mysterious discoveries in human history, a world painted in colors and symbols that had survived for over 17,000 years. These were the Lascaux Caves of France, covered wall-to-wall with breathtaking prehistoric paintings. The walls showed horses, deer, bison, and wild bulls, captured in incredible detail. Archaeologists believe these paintings date back to the Paleolithic era, one of the earliest ages of mankind, a time when humans lived in caves and relied entirely on hunting to survive. Even after thousands of years, the colors remain vivid, a living testament to the artistic and technical brilliance of our ancient ancestors. But when the caves were opened to the public in the 1960s, something unexpected happened. Crowds of visitors brought in moisture, carbon dioxide, and pollution, slowly damaging the delicate artworks that had survived for millennia. By 1963, the French government had no choice. They closed the caves permanently to protect them. Today, access to the real Lascaux caves is strictly limited. Only a handful of scientists are allowed to enter under tight security and advanced environmental controls. Modern technology now monitors every inch of the cave to ensure the ancient paintings remain preserved, a priceless window into the dawn of human imagination. But viewers, our next location takes mystery to a whole new level. Number 2 on our list, the legendary Area 51, perhaps the most famous secret base in the world, hidden deep in the barren deserts of Nevada, USA. For decades, Area 51 has been at the center of countless conspiracy theories. Rumors that the U.S. government is secretly studying aliens, UFOs, and advanced extraterrestrial technology. These theories exploded after the infamous 1947 Roswell incident, when a mysterious object crashed in New Mexico, and witnesses claimed it was an alien spacecraft. According to many, that wreckage was quietly moved to Area 51 for secret research. To this day, no one truly knows what goes on there, because the entire region is completely off-limits. Even flying over it is prohibited. Anyone who dares approach the perimeter is immediately detained by armed military guards. And now, friends, let's move from the scorching desert to the frozen north, to one of the most secure vaults on the planet, the Svalbard Global Seed Vault, often called the Doomsday Vault. The name itself sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's very real. Built deep inside a frozen mountain in Norway, this vault was designed to safeguard the seeds of all plant species on Earth, a backup for humanity in case a global catastrophe wipes out crops and vegetation. Each seed is stored under precisely controlled conditions, ensuring that it could survive for centuries without decay. The frigid Arctic climate acts as a natural protector, keeping the vault frozen even without power. This place isn't open to the public. Not even governments can freely enter. Only a few authorized scientists are allowed inside, tasked with guarding the genetic future of the world. There is another place in this world that remains shrouded in mystery, a place so secret that only a few select individuals have ever reached it. Now, dear viewers, let's journey to the Valley of Death. This eerie valley lies deep within Russia's Kamchatka region and has earned its terrifying reputation for one reason: its deadly atmosphere. The moment any living creature steps into this valley, their breath begins to fade. The air is filled with toxic gases capable of ending life within moments. The scattered remains of animals lying across the land silently testify to the horrors hidden in this mysterious valley. It is said that in the 1930s, two hunters accidentally entered this area. As they looked around, they were shocked to see the lifeless bodies of countless animals everywhere. The sight was so horrifying that they immediately fled. But soon after, both men began to feel dizzy and fainted due to the poisonous air. When they finally escaped and reported the incident, scientists began an investigation. Their research revealed that volcanic activity in the region releases deadly gases like hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide, and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. These gases are so toxic that within just a few minutes, any living being that breathes them can lose its life. An even more disturbing fact is that the gases prevent the bodies from decaying, leaving the valley covered with preserved animal corpses, frozen in time. Entering this valley is considered extremely dangerous, and for that reason, it is completely closed to the public. Only researchers and scientists are allowed to visit, and even they must wear full protective suits and carry oxygen tanks. Those who have dared to enter either fled for their lives or never returned. And now, viewers, we come to one of the most secretive places on Earth, North Korea. Whenever this country is mentioned, we imagine secrecy, strict control, and a state hidden from the world. But the most mysterious part of all is known as Room 39. What truly happens inside this secret chamber remains almost impossible to know. It is said that Room 39 is the center of Kim Jong-un's secret funds and operations, a place that generates billions of dollars through hidden means. According to some reports, secret scientific experiments and research that are also conducted here, aimed at strengthening the government's power and maintaining dominance on the global stage. What are these experiments, and what is their true purpose? No one can say for sure. Information about Room 39 is so limited that even the citizens of North Korea have no idea what goes on inside. Only a few trusted individuals are granted access, and even they are kept under the strictest surveillance. So, dear viewers, if these revelations have astonished you, tell us in the comments, which other secret places in the world do you think are being kept hidden from the public? Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel with the bell icon on, because in our next video we'll uncover mysteries even more secret and shocking than these.